How to share your Kafka topic with the development team in a very secured and controlled way. Hello, I'm Alexander Halikov, IBM Integration Technical Pre-Sales. This is the event flow I created in my previous video, and again, you can watch it right here. The topic itself is right here, and what you need to do, you need to share for reuse. Event endpoint management is already selected for you, but obviously you can have multiple instances of it. But in my case, I have only one. And then you need to click next, an example of a message, and the event source name would be door DM111. Let's click share for reuse. Now we should see it in event endpoint management. Let's go here, let's update it. As you can see, it's pending validation at the moment, right? So we just need to wait a bit. Let's go here, and then we need to add information, right? So let's just give it a description. That would be events from door DM111 only. Let's just give it a tag. The tag would be DM, let's say door DM111. And the contact email would be alexander.k@ibm.com, for instance. Let's click save. What we need to do next, we need to go to options and create an access option for it. And the access option would be DM111 full control. And the alias would be the same, full control. Let's click next and add a control to it. So here you have a choice of the control. You can either create a mutual TLS certificate, or that might be an approval. So when a developer from the catalog tries to access this topic, this new created topic, he needs to request for an approval. Also, you can choose to create a quota. So this is control of the volume of a traffic for subscription connecting to this option, right? And also you do have an option for a reduction. You want to share this topic, but you don't want to share it with sensitive information like personal email address or social security number or something like that, right? So in that case, you just need to create a reduction. For now, we're just going to select approval and add control to it, right? Let's click save. And the only thing we need to do right now is to publish this control. And this will publish it to an event catalog. And from that event catalog, we will have an option to subscribe to it. Let's go to a catalog and look for the topic that we just created. So as you can see, it's events from door DM111 only. Let's go to it. And from here, as you can see, you can either request access to it, or you can export async API. And from here, you can just share it with your developers in order to consume events from this filtered topic. As you can see, you also have access to an endpoint and to a sample message. Also, you do have an option for code accelerators. So you can not only share credentials with your developers, but let's say you are developing an application in Java or in Node.js, you can share direct dependency to this topic straight from event endpoint management. That's how simple it is to use. Thank you, and in the next video, I will show you how to create an event flow with multiple event sources. See you soon!